Hello everyone, so in this video, we're going to be reviewing the AAFQ GLP-1 drops. So if you don't know what this is, it is basically a drop for weight loss. But before we get into the review, a lot of you have been asking me how do I do this research so fast. I actually put together a complete guide that shows you my exact process. So link is in the description down below for you guys to check out. And with that out of the way, let's get into the review. So as you can see right here guys, we have it here opened up on eBay. So as you can see, this is what it looks like. Now I'm just gonna say right off the bat, guys, that this is not one of those miracle solutions or miracle drugs, and nothing is like that. It's basically impossible for something like this to instantly help you lose weight without actually going it with the proper diet or proper exercise. So even if you take this religiously or effectively or consistently, you will never get any weight loss without proper exercise or diet. But let's get into the reviews here. So as you can see, they have a lot of positive reviews. So as you can see, fast shipping, quick shipping, good seller. Thanks, good quality and condition. Okay, but they don't say anything about the product itself, only about the shipping. So before you take this, I would advise you to do some more research about it, or I would advise you to, if you have this already, I would advise you to go with a proper diet and a proper exercise. And that is basically it, guys. So if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.